everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I did not expect to upload this video, but I found an amazing deal on 2 oil diffusers and I had to let you know about it. It's on Amazon and a lot of you posted yesterday you love Amazon as much as I do. If you missed my Amazon haul video that was posted yesterday, go check it out. If you do not know what an oil diffuser is, you basically put some water in it, essential oil, push a button, and it disperses the water throughout the air in a mist form. It helps fight germs and it purifies and clarifies the air and it makes your house smell so good. But the 2 oil diffusers for a set of 2, it's $18.99 originally, and with the coupon code I found from another Instagram account, it takes it down to $9.99 for a set of 2. That's an amazing deal. They would make great birthday gifts, Mother's Day gifts, Father's Day gifts, Christmas gifts. I'm thinking about you gift, housewarming gift. If they had a brand new baby, that's a perfect gift. Graduation gift, moving out gift, any type of gift, and it's even perfect for yourself. I purchased a set of 2 for myself and a set of 2 for my mom. So I just had to let you guys know about it. I will link all of the information down below so you can go check it out for yourself. If you like videos like this where I tell you how you can save money really quick, and it's like a really quick special, let me know, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.